A first look of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is here. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to get some changes that are not too noticeable but valuable. Meanwhile, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 may get a bigger battery and it is confirmed. And Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 will going to get a same design as Z Flip 3. According to the leaks in Samsung tradition, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 will going to out in August 2022 along with the Fold 4 and Galaxy Watch 5 with 3 models. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is going to get 4 new colors, but the design will be the same. And it is now confirmed that Samsung is working on rollable phones and we may see them next year. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, are you happy with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 design? The first look of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is out, where we see the similar design just like the Galaxy Z Flip 3 last year. And as we get the news before, Samsung is going to change the outer display, but it seems like very minimal. Ross Young mentioned in his tweet that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will going to have a 2 inches or more outer display, but the last year one was 1.9 inches. For now, it is unclear how noticeable it is since we need to check both phones side by side. A good news for the flip lover is that Samsung is making a big jump in battery. Last time we get the news that Samsung is putting a little big battery like 3400 mAh, but now the confirmed news is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is going to get a 3700 mAh battery according to the ICE universe, and it is going to be good. Since Samsung is also going after Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus for both foldable phones, and with better optimization, it can last way longer than Galaxy Z Flip 3. For now, no news regarding the cameras, and it is kind of a disheartening to say that it may come with 12 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel selfie camera just like Flip 3. But I would say Samsung may give you a surprise over Flip 4 cameras. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 will come with a slightly bigger inner display, standing at 6.72 inches instead of 6.7. Not a big difference, but still the difference is here. A minor changes that we may see is this 25-watt of fast charging support and new colors. Let's hope Samsung will keep Bespoke Edition, so we will get a customized version of a foldable phone. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, are you happy with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 design? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.